Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the working of our Sports API, which we use render.com and Swagger and also MongoDB. We're going to look at the workings of all these without being logged in. Actually, we've inculcated some code to authenticate and also to validate our endpoints, but I'm going to demonstrate how all this work. Looking at this place, this code has already been deployed to render. I'm here already in my Swagger Sports API. Looking at these, we have the volleyball, the soccer, the basketball, and the user collections endpoints. I'm going to go over to volleyball to demonstrate how this works, but this is going to work only for get and also get with ID. Then I'm going to go over to login, then I would also demonstrate the rest. Looking at these, to get all my volleyball, I'm going to click this execute. Here you can see that our volleyball team has been updated in our database. You can see all of it. Then going over to the other one, get with ID. I'm going to copy one of this ID that we'll have here. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to move over to the next item, which is get by ID. I'm going to click here. I'm going to try it out and paste this ID here, paste it, try it out and see here I can okay. It said invalid, must have a valid MongoDB ID. So let me move over. Maybe I didn't copy it well. Let me look at the error. Oh, I think there is a number I missed. I think 50E. I'm gonna put it out here because we already have our error handler. That's why that should be able to pop up to show yes, it's already updated. I'm gonna move over to soccer. Same way I was able to get all the the volleyball. I'm gonna look at it also. These are all the soccer team. I'm gonna click to these. I'm gonna copy this ID, move over to get it by ID. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna try it out because these have not been authenticated or protected from unauthorized access, so we can actually get it. I'm gonna move over to these here. Look at it. I'm gonna move over to basketball and also to my user collections. I'm gonna go over to this place to get all. Click. These are the volleyball. We're gonna copy these. Copy it. Go over to the next item, which is get it by ID. I'm gonna click over to this. Try it out. I'm gonna put the ID here. Paste. Execute, and it's gonna show me that. I'm gonna move over to user. I'm gonna click this. Try it out to get all the users. Click execute. I'm getting all the users. I'm going to copy this ID in order to try it out to get it by ID. Copy. I'm going to jump over to this, which is get by ID. I'm going to click here. Try it out. Try it out. Put in the ID. Paste. Execute. You can see my ID is gotten. So this is the demonstration for get one and get all. I'm going to move over to go and log in to this because we've already created a code for login and also for logging out user. I'm going to put in login. I'm going to click, and if I'm logged in, it's going to show me that I'm already logged into it, so I can be able to update. And also you can see I'm already logged in. We've written a code for that. I'm going to go over to my API docs again to demonstrate the put, post, and also the delete. So I'm going to go over, first of all, I'm going to post a user, try to create a user. This user, I'm going to execute. Yay, my user has been created. So I'm going to copy this ID because I want to use it to also update and also delete it. I'm going to move over to update, which is our put. I'm going to click here. I'm going to try this out. I'm going to put this user ID. paste. I'm going to change this maybe to this queue. I'm going to move over to execute. Yeah, you can see it's already there, updated successfully. And we also have code to handle error. I'm going to move over to the next one, which is delete. I'm going to click here, put in the ID of that which I've created, paste it. I'm going to execute. Yay, it has been deleted. So I'll jump over to Soccer similar way I did with the other one. I'm going to try this out to create it, to post it, create this. I'm going to execute. Yay, it has been created. I'm going to copy the ID that it was created with. I'm going to copy it so that I can be able to update and also to delete. I'm going to copy this ID, copy it and move over to here. So I'm going to move over to put. In order to update, I'm going to put this ID, then maybe change this. Yep. I'm going to change it. Move over to this, execute. You can see that it's working. I'm going to move over to delete, move over, try this out. The collection which I just created, I'm going to delete it. Move over to here. That's successfully been deleted. So, and we ensure that same thing I'm going to try out for these other endpoints. I'm going to try out for basketball endpoint. I've tried out for the two. I'm going to try out for both basketball and also for user. I'm going to go to post. I'm going to try this to post a team. I'm going to click on this. Yay, it has been created. I'm going to copy this user ID that have been created so that I can update it and also the delete. I'm going to go to put. I'm going to go over to try it out. I'm going to put this. I'm going to change something, maybe this T. Execute. Yay, you can see it has been updated. So I'm going to go over to delete what I've just did. I'm going to try this. Put in the user ID. Execute. Yay, it's successfully deleted. And I'm going to move over to the team, the last one. I'm going to demonstrate how this works. Thank you.